An activity you can do with students is to make a model lung to demonstrate lung function. Balloons, some straws, a plastic bottle, and an X-Acto knife. So I'm gonna cut about halfway down. Well, these are very small balloons. I'm gonna go with this color, and these are gonna be the bronchi. I think we need some tape. So I'm gonna cut these. One straw doesn't get cut. I'm going to just wedge out a little bit. So I'm taking out just an elbow. I got to make a hole in the top to fit the straw through. So we've got that. Now it's fitting the diaphragm. I'm going to cut it at the widest point. So inhale, the diaphragm contracts. Exhale, the diaphragm relaxes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale.